for FP growth and correlation matrix. For FP growth, select the data set of your own. In my case, I have already imported the data from my computer. Better to choose a CSV file or an Excel file to get the accurate results, as I have already stored the data file in my local repository. You can see this is the file which I am using. Now for FP growth, we need these operators: discretized by frequency, nominal to binomial, FP growth, create association rules. First, we take discretized by frequency. Go for cleansing. You'll see discretized by frequency. Drag here and drop here. One more operator is nominal to binomial. To discretize the frequencies operator is used for making FP growth, makes FP growth for the following data set. So we are using here discretized by frequency as shown. Now we are going for nominal to binomial operator. It would be presenting in blending attributes types. Select nominal to binomial as C. Select and drop there. Nominal to binomial is used because for FP growth won't accept nominal data list. So we are converting nominal list to binomial list. Now we go for the FP growth operator. It will be present in the modeling. In associations, select FP growth and drop. Now we connect these operators as shown. If we connect FP growth EXA to the RES, we get the data like this. As I said before, nominal data is converted into the binomial data as shown here, true for the first set. For the second set, in the second column, it will be changed to true. Okay, now we have to create association rules for this. As you see in modeling, there is an option, create association rules. Drag it and drop here and connect FRE to ITE and RUL to RES. Run. You'll get the data in this manner. This is the FP growth for the data set given. Now we go for the correlation matrix. For that, first of all, we have to remove all these things, select all these things and click delete. As I'm going to do for the same data set. Instead of taking every value by selecting, we are going to search every value. Now, for correlation matrix, we need to add noise. Select add noise and drop here. Add noise. In the given example set, by adding random attributes to the example set and by adding noise in the existing attributes, it will add some noise to the existing attributes as we know. Now we have to add correlation matrix at operator. Now we search for correlation matrix operator. As we see, here's the correlation matrix operator. It is correlation between all attributes and it produce weights vector based on this correlation. It shows how strongly pairs of attributes are paired. Now, weight vector is coming, so we are going to use select by weights operator. Now connect as shown. Now run the process. This is the data I have got with my respective database. Thank you. Here is all for today, guys. Thanking you.